Here I am going to explain how to find the eigenvalues, eigenvectors of the matrix. Given matrix is minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, 0. Let A is equals to given matrix. Step 1 to find the characteristic equation. To find the characteristic equation of A is minus lambda minus A minus lambda I equals to 0. Lambda cube minus 2 x1 lambda square plus x2 lambda minus x3 is equals to 0, where s1 equals to sum of the main diagonal elements. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 0 equals to minus 1. Then s1 value is minus 1. s2 is equals to sum of the minus of the main diagonal elements. Then that equals to 1 minus 2 minus 6 0 plus mod minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 0 plus mod minus 2 2 2 1 it equals to 0 minus 12 plus 0 minus 3 plus minus 2 minus 4 that equals to minus 21. s2 is equals to minus 21. s3 is equals to mod A. Given matrix minus 2 2 minus 1 2 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 0 it equals to minus 2 into 0 minus 12 minus 2 into 0 minus 6 plus minus 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 1 that equals to 45. s3 is equals to 45. We substitute s1 s2 values, s3 values. Therefore the characteristic equation is x cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equals to 0. In the place of s2 s1 s3 we substitute the values what we have get before. Lambda cube minus 1 minus 1 lambda square plus minus 21 lambda minus 45 equals to 0. Then the equation is lambda cube plus lambda square minus 21 lambda minus 45 equals to 0. Step 2 to find the characteristic equation. We substitute in the place of lambda 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 3 we get lambda not equals to 0. But when we substitute minus 3 in the place lambda, then we get lambda equals to 0. Hence lambda is equals to minus 3 is a root by synthetic division. The equation we get lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 15 equals to 0. Hence we get the roots 3 5 minus 3. Step 3 to find the eigenvectors. To find eigenvectors, solve A minus lambda I into x equals to 0. X means minus x1 x2 x3 matrix. Then in the place of given matrix we substitute A minus lambda. Then we get minus 2 minus lambda 1 minus lambda 0 minus lambda. Remaining values we get as usual 2 minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6. Case 1 lambda is equals to minus 3. Then the equation A becomes 1 2 minus 1 2 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 3 into x1 x2 x3 equals to 0 0 0. x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equals to 0 1. First equation 2x1 plus 4x2 minus 6x3 equals to 0, that is second equation. Minus x1 minus x2 x2 plus 3x3 equals to 0, that is third equation. Hence one second and the third are same equations. X1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equals to 0. Hence we put x1 equals to 0, we get x2 x2 equals to 3x3. x2 minus 3 equals to x3 by 2. Hence the corresponding eigenvector is x1 equals to 0 3 2. We put x2 is equals to 0, we get x1 minus 3x2 3x3 equals to 0, x1 equals to 3x3, x3 by 3 equals to x3 by 1. And the corresponding eigenvector is x2 is equals to 3 0 1. Case 2, if lambda is equals to minus 5, then the equation A becomes 7 minus 7 2 minus 1 2 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 into x1 x2 x3 equals to matrix 0 0 0. Minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equals to 0, that is fourth equation. 2x1 minus 4x2 minus 6x3 is equals to 0, that is fifth equation. Minus x1 minus 2x2 minus 5x3 equals to 0, that is sixth equation. Solving 4 and 5 by rule of cross multiplication, we get x1 by minus 12 minus that equals to x2 by minus 6 minus 44 42 equals to x3 by 28 minus 4. Then x1 by 1 equals to x2 by 2 equals to x3 by minus 3. Then the corresponding eigenvector is x3 is equals to 1, 2, minus 1. Results: eigenvector of the given matrix is minus 3, 3, minus 3, 5. Then lambda is equals to minus 3. The corresponding eigenvector is s1 is equals to 0, 3, 2. x1 if lambda is equals to minus 3, the corresponding eigenvector is x2 is equals to 3, 0, 1. Eigenvector of any two of 0, 3, 2, 3, 0, 1 and minus 2, minus 1, 0. If lambda is equals to 5, then the corresponding eigenvector is x3 is equals to 1, 2, minus 1. Thank you.